Legends of Learning presents the Magna's Magnets game. This is a science game that makes learning about electric and magnetic forces fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, follow Dr. Magna on a series of experiments and activities about the world of magnetism. Learn more about magnetic polarization by attracting electrons and protons to the right place. Separate the magnets on a mat using your knowledge of magnetic fields. Assemble your own electromagnetic using an electric current to generate a magnetic field. Pilot a train and collect passengers using a magnetic field to generate electricity. Use the mouse to click and drag and drop different objects to complete experiments and tasks with magnets. Create magnets, sort different shapes, and use attraction and repulsion to sort out objects. Use your science skills to help you complete all the tasks. Complete all the tasks to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.